Over the last 12 years, we've tried to host the largest car show in Wisconsin by making it not suck. It takes hundreds of hours of preparation, gallons of sunscreen, and pulling together a bunch of people to keep it organized, all for the love of the game that is the car community. So how can you make your meets suck less? Well, I'm gonna show you 5 things I do that makes our local meets kind of cool.
This is so neat. Oh, I got goosers.
You did it.
I got goosers.
The Wisconsin Car Enthusiast Club is where I started my adventure into cars. After getting bullied by old boomers that are probably in a nursing home now, I wanted a place online where I could learn about cars, which created this, a Facebook car club back in 2012. The rules were simple: teach and share, come out to events, and most importantly, don't be a dick. Those rules worked because it became a 60,000 member car group with mostly everyone playing nice, but there was a big problem. It was only online. So we started hosting meets in the freezing cold, selling Gildan t-shirts for $20 to fund the $500 event permits at the park that we'd meet at. I'd bring my $30 charcoal grill and we'd make hot dogs for $1 and sell Doritos for another $1. But the real moneymaker? Stickers. $5. Which is my first rule for anyone trying to host a meet. Even if it's popular, charge a little for people to come in. You might be saying, why? If it's a local meet, you shouldn't have to pay. Well, because having no gate to entry, you're letting anyone swing by and treat it like their personal playground. Even if it's a non-perishable food item donation or a $5 bill, this has saved me from ever having to shut down an entire event over the last 12 years. And we've hosted over 65 events.
Welcome to what will be a very filled event venue. I'm very excited. I'm gonna show you what I think works the best if you're trying to host maybe a little car meet that I've learned over the past 12 years. It's been that long.
It's fucking
Nope. Nope. Nope, not very strong.
Excuse me, sir.
Are you pre-registered?
Can I get in?
Are you pre-registered? What do you even do? How did you even get in the live?
Now, our meet and greet has an indoor showcase, a field concours, vendors, a food hall, music, and a drift skid pad, which we found works great for getting a bit of everyone. So my second tip, make a space for everyone, but don't force them to hang out with each other. The thing I found works great for everyone is that at a local meet, you want to have local people. If you're starting a club or a meet, for some reason, you want to make it about you. Not sure why, but don't do that. I've ran this event for 12 years, and for 12 years, I've been at the front checking everyone in with either Dustin or Schnell. The way that I see it is I want to meet everyone who decides to come out, even if they're angry about the wait times. And that goes for who you invite. Bringing out local photographers and video folks to get behind the scenes look is how you build a media library so you can promote your event for the next time. Whatever you do, don't use AI slop. It looks trashy. We run the event from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., but we're at the venue starting at 7, and we won't leave until 7. That means the Martini Works booth, WCC booth, and all the temporary setups get all torn down the same day. It's probably not the best way to do it, but it keeps our ideas grounded in a bit of reality. Nothing we take can stay there overnight. And that said, this field concourse and that drift pad were brand new to this year, and people loved it.
We got everybody in. It's 3 p.m. We started at 9:30 a.m. letting cars in. Really, the inside, we started letting cars in as early as 8:15 a.m. So just insane, the amount of people that showed up for this event. It is crazy. It's like every lot is just filled with people. There are so many people here.
Would you say it's your record?
I think it's a record, but I want to see the one, my big special thing I wanted to try is after we went to the concours you know, in California after we did the Ferrari Cavallino. I wanted to like make a Midwest version here in Wisconsin, which is not like super expensive, but can we get like the aftermarket car scene to kind of f with it? So I want to go check out the Field Concours is what we're calling it. And I think people like it. So people are doing it. Oh, that makes me so happy. That makes me so happy.
This area turned out so good.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Yeah. It looks so cool. This is rad. There's so many like unique, weird cars out here too.
Did you guys pick it that way? Like tried to?
Yeah, I tried to like just really diverse. This is sick.
Yeah.
Is that the winner of Driver's Era? Is that Vin's old Supra?
That would be sick if it was.
This is so neat. Oh, I got goosers.
You did it.
I got goosers.
Good choice.
I mean,
So my fourth tip, try new things that make you uncomfortable, but aren't unrealistic. Nobody liked the idea of the Field Concours. Like no one on my team. It looks scary on the maps and the volume of cars seemed way too big for what we've done in the past. Usually, 40 or so people will register for an outdoor area to show their car in the parking lot. But for this year, we had 120 register for the Field Concours, and even more indoor showcase folks tell me that they'd rather do that next year because it just looked way cooler. And sometimes that works, and other times it doesn't. Our drift pad didn't make it to the end. We didn't plan enough, and our team responsible for running it made the decision that we should pause it to make sure no one got hurt. And we agreed. Safety is the #1 priority when something is as new as this, and for me, that was a massive failure. And looking back, I should have asked more questions, figured out more information, and tried to learn more faster. And unfortunately, it doesn't always work out that way. Because we only had driving for half the event, we refunded 75% of the driver tickets as an apology. And that's my final tip. Don't be afraid to fail. Like, own them, learn from them, and then just try it again. The drift pad idea was sweet. It was awesome to see so many people get to see the drifting culture and community at a place where typically you would just see a bunch of car show cars. And I wish I could have gotten out there with the S15, but now we know what to do. We know what we need to do for next year. And after a quick apology to the drivers and teams who ran it, it allows us to look ahead instead of fixating on the fact that it didn't go perfect. Because unfortunately, not everything always does.
all right, everyone. Hello. Hello. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Alex.
This is awesome. I'm not gonna do that though. That seems, can you guys hear me okay? Who the f said no? Who was it? I heard you over there. I wanted to thank all of you for coming out to the 12th annual season opener, hosted by the Wisconsin Car Enthusiast Club, powered by Martini Works. We're very, very blessed to have an incredible car culture here in Wisconsin, and our goal since 2011 has been to showcase that to the rest of the nation. You guys and gals continue to bring some of the most ridiculous, insane, unique, funny, fast as hell cars that I've ever seen before. And I just wanted to say thank you for spending your Saturday with us. And then over the last 12 years, it's grown into the largest car club in Wisconsin. It's what allowed a lot of us to chase our dreams of helping people modify their car through Martini Works. It's what has allowed us to go on these incredible adventures across the globe. And it all started because of all of you deciding to come together and spend afternoons with us, whether it was in the freezing cold of random parking lots of Eau Claire, Wisconsin, or you were at the original, season opener in, was it Oconomowoc? And you were helped stuffing a megaphone just like that filled with cash because the place that we hosted the event wanted $15,000 to host 100 of us. If you guys remember that story, it was a crazy story. With that being said, we have some trophies here that we're gonna be giving out. And I wanna remind everybody that these are really cool trophies, okay? They're made of glass. They're not that big. Your build is not derived by winning one of these, okay? A lot of really cool cars were here. There's a lot of really sweet stories that were here. If you do not take one of these home and you're really, really angry about it, I will give you $30. I will tell you the URL. You can go make your own and we'll all be happy. All right? This is not what this event is for. We do this because it's fun, we do this because it's cool, and some of these cars just have a little bit of special extra recognition that we want people to hear and we want people to see.
Meets got weird somewhere along the way, where it became more about the organizers than the people who attended them, and I think that's messed up. Why Martini Works brings out a giant RC drift track isn't to sell car parts. It's to give people a way to just try something new, something fun. The reason we do drift is to hopefully convince people to buy a Shipbox 350Z and slide it around for the next decade. The reason WCEC exists is just to share a common passion of cars with people who you'd never meet otherwise. And if you follow any of these tips, you don't have to follow all of them, but any of these tips, I can guarantee you that your dream of hosting a properly good meet or car show in your local area will happen. So don't forget to subscribe, mod your car at Martini Works. I'm Alex Martini, and we'll see you tomorrow.